So you come home to your wife na medyo sapot after her own work from home as a virtual assistant or freelancer. Then mangutana ka, nganong gisapot man si wife? Anong pirmi man siya sapot? Kanang pagsira sa laptop pa kay mugot na kaayo. Or kanang samtang nag-type sila sa keyboard, murong mabuak ng keyboard. Lord, isog kayo mo type sa keyboard. Tabangan ti ka ha para makasabot ka sa imuhang wife. And if you are a virtual assistant or freelancer, pwede nini mo isend nga video sa imuhang husband para makasabot sila sa imuhang sitwasyon. Ako'y explain niya kung anong pirmi kasapot. So to the husbands and partners of virtual assistants or work from home moms, wives, let me tell you that you could easily have a lazy wife who just asks you for your salary and then asa nang sustento sa mga bata. And all day long si wife ay nag-TikTok ra or nag-Netflix. Niya, napadyod mo yayaw, napadyod mo itigluto. So si wife is princess level ra nga lifestyle. You know, yung nepo baby ang peg. Pero the wife that you have, she's not lazy. She is a virtual assistant, remote worker, work from home. So on top of her remote work for her clients, she also does the household chores. Nagluto, nangumpra, naghatod-kuha sa mga bata, and at times, muatiman pa jud siya sa iyahang elderly parents. And if you live together with your in-laws, muatiman po na siya sa imuhang own family if you live close to each other. Diba? Yun anak kakugihan si wife. But here is the part na different from other people who do not work from home. Kay, when you work from home, manggod, you work alone most of the time. Wala kay kauban, wala kay kasturya, paano sa na imuhang kuan laway, wala kay kasturya, wala kay kapahungawan. Compared to working in an office, people can gossip, magdungan sila lunch break, na sila kasturya, kung na sila kalagut-gut sa ilang supervisor, kay naa siya karamay, kay silang magkauban sa office, parehas silang experience. So naay maminaw sa ilahang mga hinanaing, di ba? But your wife, your work from home wife, she has no one. Likely wala siya ka vent outan sa iyahang mga experiences. Because her experiences are unique to herself. Technically, wala siya makita sa iyang palibot nga karamay. Physically, wala siya mahikap nga lain nga tao. Wala siya kauban. Okay? Unya, di pod siya ka-vent out about her stress with clients kay siya raman ang nag-work with that specific client. Kinsa may makarelate niya. In short, ang imong work from home na virtual assistant wife is a solo flyer. Do you realize how lonely that is to work alone? Ikaw ra usa kay karamay. Then, when you get home and you see her almost wanting to cry or vent out, imuhang mood pagyud is dili receptive. Good for you kay gikan ka sa office. Unsay kalagut-gut nimo sa imong amo, naa kay pwede masultian nga mga office mates. Imong work from home wife, nga virtual assistant, ay kasturya, likely wala man. Kung naagay siya GC with other virtual assistants or work from home niya nga mga friends, adto na siya magpahungaw sa iyang feelings. But I tell you, lahi ra jud if she had your support without being criticized by you. She really needs a karamay.